In this video, you'll discover how to configure bookings using Acuity Scheduling. First, visit the Acuity Scheduling website and log in with your credentials. Next, navigate to the Appointment Types section by clicking on it in the navigation bar. Click on New Type of Service. Enter the name for the appointment type in the form field. Select the drop-down for Show a Message after scheduling. Set the duration in minutes using the form field. Click on the Block Off Time Before or After Appointment drop-down if you want to use this feature. Enter the amount in the Minutes Before Appointment field. Enter the amount in the Minutes After Appointment field. Enter the price in the Price field in the form. Select the Category drop-down menu. Hover over the None option in the drop-down menu. Click the drop-down arrow next to None to view more options. In the form, click on the Color drop-down menu to select the color. You can choose Custom Color too. In the form, select a color from the Defaults or Custom options. To view access options, click on Private Appointment Type in the form. If you wish to keep the appointment private, toggle the setting off and on to switch between making the appointment public or private. In the form, toggle the switch to enable or disable the private appointment type. In the form, click on the plus icon to add an image. In the Calendars section, click on View All Calendars and select the calendar of your appointment. Click the Create button in the top right corner. And your appointment has been created. Now, select the Direct Scheduling link drop-down for the desired appointment type. Select the Copy button to copy the direct scheduling link for sharing with your client. So this is how to set up booking on Acuity Scheduling.